So in this video we're going to discuss about the Iqoo 16, which is going to release soon in India after the China releases. So this mobile is going to come with a 6.85 inches of 2K plus resolution AMOLED LTPO M14 panel, the Samsung's M14 panel, which is basically used in my S26 Ultra and a lot of S26 Ultra devices. It will support up to 165 Hz refresh rate, especially in gaming. In regular use you will see only 120 Hz refresh rate. Okay. And when we talk about these mobiles, other features, like this mobile comes with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro, which is going to be the super fast chipset after the 8 Elite Gen 5, and it is a 2nm based processor which comes with the LPDDR6 RAM types and UFS 5 storage, which are going to be the fastest storage and RAM types in the mobiles till now. And this mobile is going to come with a triple rear cameras, where you can find a 200 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and a 50 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and also a 50 megapixels of periscopic zoom camera, which can be used to zoom up to 100x. Yeah, 100x. When we talk about the front facing selfie camera, this mobile is going to come with a 50 megapixels of front facing selfie camera, which is a wide angle lens. And obviously when we talk about the battery, to power up this beast mobile we need a bigger battery, right? This mobile is going to come with a 8500 milliamp hours of humongous battery, and it is going to support 150 watts of fast charge through wire, and it is going to support up to 50 watts of wireless charge. When we talk about these mobiles other features, like this mobile comes with a no steep 3.5mm jack, but and also this mobile comes with a USB Type C Gen 2 3.2 Gen 2 port, which you can connect Elgato and streaming devices to stream the games live. And when we talk about this mobile's build quality, this mobile is completely a metal and glass build, and obviously that Iqoo website is also officially teasing that this mobile is going to come with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro, which is obviously the thing. And when we talk about this mobile's other features, like this one comes with a Wi-Fi 7 tri-band phase support, Bluetooth 6.0 latest features, and NFC. And this mobile is also going to come with the IR blaster according to news till now. When we talk about this mobile's box content, this mobile is going to come with a charger, cable, TPU case, and a SIM ejector tool, and quick start guides and stuff including the box of the mobile. When we talk about this mobile's availability, this mobile will be released by the end of October in China, and by the end of December this mobile will be released in India. So the expected price around would be like, it will start around like 89,999 rupees, and it can go and touch up to 1 lakh rupees. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention the variants. This mobile will comes in 3 variants mostly: 12GB RAM 256 base variant, 12GB RAM 512GB, and 16GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage. Now these are going to be UFS 5 storage capacities along with the LPDDR6 RAM types. You can expect a killer performance from these mobiles. And obviously this mobile is also going to come with the Android version section out of the box with the fun touch, with the Origin OS out of the box. So make sure you subscribe to the channel to watch the videos upcoming in my channel. So thanks for